In the 13th century, in the thriving city of Florence, 7 men lived comfortable and respected lives. Successful merchants, well integrated into society, they enjoyed stability and recognition. Yet deep within their hearts, a quiet call began to grow. Florence was marked by political tension, rivalry, and the pursuit of wealth. In this environment, the 7 friends felt a shared longing to live differently. They gathered regularly to pray, reflect, and discern God's will together. Gradually, a common conviction emerged. They realized that true fulfillment was not found in possessions, but in self-giving. Together, they made a radical decision: to sell their goods, abandon their commercial lives, and dedicate themselves entirely to God. Their journey was deeply shaped by devotion to the Virgin Mary. They saw in her a model of humility, faithfulness, and compassion. Inspired by her presence at the foot of the cross, they desired to live lives of prayer, penance, and fraternity. The 7 men first withdrew to a simple house, then later to Mount Senario, near Florence. There, they embraced an austere life of prayer, manual labor, and mutual support. They sought neither recognition nor influence. Their only goal was fidelity to the call they had received together. Over time, their way of life attracted attention. Others came seeking guidance and soon wished to join them. What began as a spiritual friendship became a community. Thus, the Order of the Servants of Mary was born, rooted in brotherhood and contemplation. The 7 holy founders never saw themselves as isolated leaders. Decisions were made together, discernment was shared, and unity was preserved. Their harmony became their strongest witness in a divided world. Their mission gradually expanded. They served the poor, comforted the suffering, and proclaimed the gospel through humble presence. Their devotion to Mary did not separate them from the world, but drew them closer to its wounds. Though they died at different times, the 7 founders shared the same hope. Their legacy endured, carried on by generations inspired by their example. The 7 holy founders of the Servite Order bear witness above all to a profound devotion to Mary, Mother of God, whom they chose as their guide, teacher, and mother on the path to holiness. At her school, they learned that holiness is born of friendship lived in prayer, of shared discernment under her maternal gaze, and of the courage to leave everything behind in order to follow Christ more faithfully. Their story teaches us that when hearts are united in seeking God by humbly placing themselves at the service of the Virgin, a fruitful and enduring work can come to life, even in silence, sustained by the intercession of she who always leads us to her Son.